In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download a credit report on Experian. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important step. Now, in order to download our credit report on Experian, we must first head over to the Experian website, and we're just going to want to log into our account. We can do that by going up to the top right corner and clicking login. From there, we need to enter in our username, which is probably our email, and you can also enter in your password and then click login. Now, when you are logged into your account, you'll be on a page that looks something like this. So from here, we want to click reports and scores at the top, and then we can go ahead and click on the option that says credit report. That will then take you to this page where you can then see all of your credit reports for Experian, Equifax, and also TransUnion. So though we are on the Experian site, it will show us our credit reports for all of them. And what we have to do is first select which one we want to download the credit report for, and then we can go over on the right hand side and choose to print report. Now, when we click on this button, it will actually allow us to save these credit reports as a PDF, which means that we have successfully saved and downloaded our credit report onto our computer. So that's how you can download a credit report on Experian. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.